How can we support young people to succeed in college and prepare them for tomorrow's job market? Educators, policymakers, and advocates tell us that dual enrollment holds the key. Through dual enrollment, students enroll in college courses and earn college credit while still in high school. Dual enrollment allows students to get a jump start on their college coursework, often taking classes at no cost. This saves young people both time and money. Dual enrollment prepares young people for the transition from high school to higher ed by familiarizing them with how college works. To ensure that dual enrollment meets the needs of all young people, we wanted to hear directly from students. So, through a Youth Action Research Fellowship, we asked students to interview their peers about their experiences and ways to improve dual enrollment. The youth researchers reported that guidance from teachers, counselors, and professors was critical to a successful dual enrollment experience. They recommended that counselors and educators should introduce the benefits of dual enrollment during students' first year of high school, make students aware of the services that are available to them, including college tutoring and mental health services, and provide ongoing support informed by students' academic and career goals. Dual enrollment is reimagining the front door of higher education, setting our young people up to succeed and excel in the life of their dreams. To learn more about this youth-led dual enrollment action research project, including the full set of findings and recommendations, visit LASIF.org.